Naman ba yung lights? Good. Nanapod sila yung ILS na rin.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at Lagitian Airport, your gateway to Cagayan de Oro and Iligan cities. Kalalapag po lamang namin sa paliparan ng Lagitian ang inyong lagusan tungo sa mga lungsod ng Cagayan de Oro at Iligan. Time check for convenience, it is now 40 minutes. Past 7 in the evening and we are free to announce that we have just landed 30 minutes ahead of schedule. Ang oras po natin ay 40 minutong makalipas ng ikapito ng gabi, tayo po 30 minutong mas maaga sa tapang oras ng ating paglabas. On behalf of your flight crew headed by Captain Sueco with First Officer Manikan, together with your inside cabin crew, Reg, Jane, and Miles, this is Gwen. We thank you for making Cebu Pacific Air as the airline of choice. Sa ngalan ng buong buong nilipad na ito na pinaunahan ni Kapitan Sueco sa tulong ni Unang Opisyal Manikan, kasama niyong cabin crew na si Reg, Jane, at Miles. Ako pa si Gwen. Kami lubos na nagpapasalamat sa pagpili at pagsakay ninyo sa Cebu Pacific Air.
Safety is of primary importance to us, so please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop. Please wait for the fastened seatbelt sign to be switched off before you get your bags or use the lavatory.
The runway.
Exercise caution when opening the overhead bins, as the items inside might have been dislodged or shifted during aircraft movement. As a safety precaution, all portable electronic devices must remain in silent mode or switched off. Voice calls are prohibited until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the cabin doors have been opened. Before you please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind.
Isang paglabag. Isang paglabag po yan.
Matanggal ang fasten seatbelt sign bago tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan. May we remind guests with infants that the infant's life vest shall be collected after disembarkation. Kindly leave the infant's life vest inside the seat pocket. Please be advised that the unauthorized removal of the life vest from the aircraft is a criminal offense. In the interest of safety, guests are advised to walk through designated areas at the ramp as directed by